Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be playing Build Battle. But not just by myself, with this guy. Oh wait, not this guy. This guy!
Hi! Alright guys, we are in, and we are here with Toby.
Hey,
say hi.
I'm here.
Alright. So let's go ahead and spin the spin the wheel to see what we are doing. And we have to build Mario.
Yeah! That was mine. That was mine, by the way. Okay, guys. So we're gonna be building Mario. That's the first thing I see him right there. Okay, so we're gonna need a skin. So let's get like a. Let's try this. Yeah, let's try Sipped Oat Log, black concrete for his beautiful mustache, red, and is there a brown concrete? There is. He has like chubby cheeks. He's kind of chubby. Let's get like the base out like that. So this is our first time doing a build battle, and I'm excited to see what stuff turns out like. Okay, so we've got our boy Mario. I'm scared. What is he doing? He's not even moving. Oh, he is. Okay, so let's start out with his face. He got a nose too, so let's get like his nose. Oh boy. Oh wait, he has blue eyes. Blue. So let's get his eyeballs. Very nice. It actually, maybe if I get rid of the square face, it doesn't look bad. There we go. So we've got that done. Mario. Oh my god. Wait, I'm cooking right now. It's not gonna go like out. And it goes up, but I like make it back here. Don't worry about this. He has his iconic little thing. I don't know if I can make it or not. That's like the best we're gonna get so far. It's not the worst thing I've ever built. I've never built Mario, by the way. Couldn't tell. I don't have very much time. I'm just gonna close this up. Wait, how much time do I have left? Oh yeah, I have 3 minutes. Okay. God, what am I doing? It's me. Oh wait, that's right. He has eyebrows.
What the hell?
Okay, since his hair kind of like goes. Oh god. How much time do I have left? Oh god, 20 seconds! I think yes, actually. Oh crap! Thumbs up! Alright, really?
Alright, do you want to get yours first?
Oh wait, I'm gonna spin a wheel. You guys are not gonna see it. I'm gonna spin a wheel to see who goes first. Alright, I'm spinning the wheel. You guys hear that?
I hear it.
And I'm going first. So come around.
Alright, let me walk. Alright. Wow. It looks like Mario. I like it. Alright. I give it a 8 out of 10.
Honest? 8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, let's go look at mine. It's Mario. It's Fire Mario.
Oh, okay. It's Fire
Yeah, the professor shoots out fireballs. Come here.
The details are awesome. Oh wait, it does? Wow. Why is there a black part right there? Oh, I see what you did. His nipples are out. That's nice.
Wait.
I rated it 5 out of 10.
Okay.
That's funny. Oh my. All right, guys. We're going to be doing a meme. Wow.
Let's build a meme.
I set up my 10 minutes. All right, I'm gonna pull out an image real quick. Let's see. We're gonna do John Pork. Actually, I should start working on the John Pork. Is there pink? There is pink. I'm gonna use buttons for his eyeballs this time because I don't have anything. I'm looking at the picture right now. It looks like, let's get some gray. Oh, he's kind of fat. Sorry, John Pork, but you're kind of fat. I feel like we could do better for his skin. Yeah, I'm gonna use cherry wood. Oh god, what am I doing, bro? I gotta make it like 3D.
What?
So, I think I'm cooking right now. Actually, let's get dirt. So, this is what Stop! This is what I have. You see, there's a mountain back there. Alright, now I've gotta get him on a phone. How much time do I have left? I have 3 minutes. Oh god. He's like emerging out of the phone too. He's like gonna grab you. Guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do. A minute and a half left. Maybe I can use this. It's like the answer thing. Answers calls, otherwise he's gonna kill you. 30 seconds left. I think I'm done. I don't know how to improve this. It got rid of it. But I added it back. There you go. Alright, so I'm done. I'm gonna spin the wheel to see who goes first. Alright, spin the wheel. Looks like it's gonna be... Get your hand out of there. It looks like it's gonna be Brantley.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Seven out of 10.
Yeah. Yeah. John Pork.
John Pork's calling you. No! No! Here's the lore. He's like emerging out of your screen, like your phone. You see it like there's a phone back here? He's emerging out of it, and right here, if you click that, you can decline it or you can answer.
5.5 out of 10.
5.5 out of 10.
Yeah. Alright guys, we are back and ready to spin the wheel.
Scary.
Creeper!
We're doing Creeper. We have 10 minutes again. We're going to be building a Creeper. I mean, this is from Minecraft, a pixel game, so I can't fail this, pretty much, guys. I'm just gonna build the Creeper head. Cause, yes. Alright, let's get building! Alright, so we've got our base right here. Let's work on the mouth. So the mouth kind of like goes like this. Okay, he's gonna notice if I do it from there, so I'm gonna have to find a way, so pattern time. Alright, there's how much time do I have left? I have a minute. And that's time.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
I'm not very proud of mine. All the things I...
proud of mine.
This is... Oh god, I forgot a block. I can't change it.
Alright.
It's you again! See, it is random, but...
Alright.
Alright. Wow.
These are like little creeplings. I call them creeplings. It's like little tiny creepers. Alright. Surprise. Then like you can go look at on the inside.
Look at that. Wow.
You like it?
It's a nice base. This actually looks nice. 9 out of 10. Cause it looks like the
Thank you.
Minecraft like you know, like the Minecraft videos from our channel. It looks like that creeper.
Yeah.
Mine personally looked like mine. I tried to like replicate it as good as I could, and just take a look.
Hey, wait. All right, guys. Let's check out. Is it even a hit? You didn't even do this. You didn't even.
Wait, that wasn't in the image.
Would you rate mine?
9.
I rate 4.
Yeah. There wasn't any more darker green, so I couldn't like finish the eyes.
And come on, butthead.
Yeah. All right. I'm scared because I've never made butthead in Minecraft before, so first time. He's very white. It is. Oh no. I feel like I'm not going to cook this round. Alright, kinda look like Jimmy Neutron right now. So, I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. I'm gonna focus on details mostly, and I'm not going to make his head 3D, or I'm not gonna make it like wide, like an actual head. I'm just gonna make it flat, because this is what head we're talking about. Oh my god. I'm scared. How much time do I have left? Okay, I have 6 minutes. Okay, I gotta stop worrying about this. I think that's like the best I'm gonna get. Oh, that's fine. One kind looks like Jimmy Neutron. It's fine.
Before we show the builds, I don't think I did that good.
It's Brantley again!
Before you come over here, I want to warn you.
What?
Okay, do not come over here yet, okay? You don't have to see it.
Did you place blocks or do anything?
I placed like 2 blocks because it was like...
That's minus the point. That's minus the point.
You have to... Here. Throw a block on the mud.
Wait.
What do you think?
Oh, man. I was gonna give you a 6, but now you're getting a 5. Actually, a 4. I'm giving you a 4.
Okay.
Mostly because you did my boy's hairline wrong, bro. Oh, yeah, you didn't even look at mine yet.
Let's see.
It was better than yours.
Yeah.
At least I didn't. No! You gotta rate it first before you destroy it.
5 out of 10. No, it's 6.5.
6.5. Good, you still have the crossbow. Oh my god! No! No! Alright.
Free build!
Free build?
Yep. For the last build of the video, we got free build.
Alright, so this is our last one, and since it's our last one, we get 20 minutes to build. I'm going to build a machine. So basically what it's going to do, it's going to spawn in chickens. The chicken falls, let's go! Yes! Okay, let's see. God, I've already spent 6 minutes on this. So the chicken's gonna fall. Yep, it fell. Then it goes down again. Perfect. No way. Yes! I've done it. My build's done. Okay, time's up. It's raining!
There is like a part in the... There's a part in the map that I need you to step on so that it can actually work. Like, or like, it all breaks.
Am I gonna
Can I
die?
place that, like, one thing? No, can I do it?
Fine, just don't open the door.
Do it.
So, my machine's kind of broken. Alright, don't look at mine.
Step on both pressure plates. Step on. Alright, Toby, welcome. Alright, find you have to get into the base. You just
I have to what?
you have to get in the base. You're going the wrong way. You're even able to move.
What am I supposed to be doing? Oh.
Wait, okay, Toby, you can hold on. You can. Oh. Wait.
No!
How did you live?
I'm not telling you.
You gave yourself resistance.
No, I didn't! No, I didn't! Haha, you messed up. Parkour. And then... Ow.
No.
Man, look at mine. Wait. Come here. I flick this lever.
What is this?
I don't know, man. It's my first machine I ever try to build. So the lore is, this is how KFC works. And basically what it does, it's like a machine for KFC.
I don't think it does organize.
Oh yeah, I didn't rate your build. Oh god. 6 out of 10.
Wait, what? I rate yours,
Like, come here.
10.
Come here, really? What? You rate it
Give it a 4.
a 4? Oh, a 5. See, look, Brandon, it's organizing it. It's organizing it. Chicken!
Chicken!
Alright, guys, thank you for watching our build.
No.
Thank you for watching our
no.
build. What did you do?
Oh no.
Oh my god, Bradley! Bradley! Bye!